Hey there, welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into a review of the Kitchenaid Go Cordless Personal Blender. This blender promises the convenience of cordless operation with a swappable battery, but does it live up to expectations? Let's find out. First off, the Kitchenaid Go Cordless Blender boasts a sleek design that's definitely a standout in terms of looks. It features a removable, swappable battery that's shared across Kitchenaid's Go range, making it a versatile addition to your kitchen. The blending cup doubles as a to-go container with a well-designed lid that allows for easy sipping on the move. However, it's worth noting that the blender is a bit bulkier than your typical portable option, which may affect its portability despite being cordless. When it comes to performance, this blender holds its own with soft ingredients and liquid blends like smoothies and protein shakes. It handles these tasks quite well, delivering consistent results. However, it struggles when faced with more challenging ingredients such as frozen fruits and tougher blends like pesto, often leaving chunks unprocessed. This limitation might be a deal-breaker if you're looking for versatility in your blending needs. In terms of usability, the Kitchenaid Go Cordless Blender is fairly straightforward with its single-speed operation and pulse function. The battery is easy to swap out and charges conveniently via USB-C, offering up to 20 minutes of blending time on a full charge. Cleaning is made easier with dishwasher-safe parts, although hand-washing might be a bit tricky due to the blender's design. To sum it up, the Kitchenaid Go Cordless Personal Blender excels in design and ease of use. Especially if you're already invested in Kitchenaid's Go ecosystem. It's perfect for everyday tasks like making morning smoothies or post-workout shakes. However, its performance with tougher ingredients and its bulkier size may not justify its higher price tag compared to other options on the market. That concludes our review of the Kitchenaid Go Cordless Personal Blender. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more reviews like this. Let us know in the comments if you've tried this blender or if you have any questions. Thanks for watching, and see you next time on Product Critique.